This way, using Fibonacci levels, you can stack multiple trades one after another with precision. As you can see, we are on a 1 hour time frame on XAU-USD pair. The overall market structure was clearly bullish until a change of character occurred. From that point onward, we began looking for bullish order blocks or fair value gaps to position ourselves for potential long entries. Although the change of character was confirmed, there was no clear order blocks or valid FVGs in the immediate area. This is where Fibonacci level took the lead. By pulling a Fibonacci retracement from the previous low to the new swing high, we identified a strong potential reaction zone between 0.618 and 1, which typically acts as a liquidity pocket or a re-entry area. We placed a long entry within this Fibonacci zone, anticipating a reaction. As expected, price retraced into the zone, reacted strongly and printed a new higher high, confirming bullish intent and providing a fresh leg of market structure. This allowed us to repeat the process, drawing a new fib from the latest low to the new high, identifying the retracement zone again and placing another long entry with a stop loss just below the zone and target at the previous high. Price respected the zone again, reacted perfectly and continued upward, creating yet another high. We applied the same approach, mapping the swing, making the fib zone, entering long and managing the position with the same structure. With each wave, the combination of structure and fib zones allows us to build multiple high probability long trades in alignment with trade continuation, all with clean author and strong technical logic.